No, be careful with the stick. Don't hit him with the stick. That's not cool.
Yeah, don't do that.
Rabbit. Honey, what's the name of this park? What's the name of this park?
Ambury Regional Park.
Ambury Regional Park. It's a farm. Oh, that is so cool.
Sorry, I walked backwards into you.
Hey guys.
Yep, I'm not being milked.
Milky.
You guys need to go to the toilet? You don't need to
Oh,
go
no.
now.
Oh, wow. Milking shed. Is there a cow here? Where's the cow?
It's gone, man. It's gone.
There's no...
We milk in from June through till December for the school kids program.
They're different species.
Piggy. Go check out the pig.
See the pig.
Oh, that's a big pig. Hi, Piggy. There's what?
2 pigs.
Oh, there's 2 pigs.
Yeah. But this one
Oh yeah, I see the other pig. So, it's a big pig. It's tough. There's the cows. Are these the milking cows?
Yeah.
No, these are yearlings. They're only a year old.
Oh.
So they were born last June, July. And probably the next year, at 2-year-old, they'll try and probably get them in calf for the first time. These are heifers.
What does that mean?
Heifer
They're male?
is a female.
Oh, they're female.
they're not cows, they're actually calves.
They're in between yearlings.
They're calves.
But I can show you some cows a bit later on. They're much bigger size.
Yeah.
So cool. And Adeline is just Oh, what do we got there? Ah, they must be wrestling. It's a big horse. What kind of horse is this?
Clydesdale.
Clydesdale? I feel like having a Bud Light.
Come mate. You want a pet? Come and give him a pet. You hold out some grass.
No, be careful with the stick. Don't hit him with the stick. That's not cool.
Yeah, don't do that. Come here. Come on.
Come here. Oh yeah, here you go. Thank you.
Here we go.
Ooh, big horsey.
They're very, very tame horses. These.
Yeah, they're very mellow.
The farmer.
Oh, thank you.
The farmer happily hops on and goes for a ride.
Big horse.
This goes down.
Okay, so my GoPro went out of battery, so I have to use my phone. But one way to beat jet lag is to do a little walk we did here at this park, which is a public farm also. You see all the different animals, and we had a really good time.
Stand up. Can you stand up here?
So yeah, just a little tired from a 20-hour flight from California, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video of the farm, and don't forget to subscribe, hit like, do all that other good stuff, and thanks for coming along. Bye.